Hello, friends. My name is host Eric, and today I'm here to teach you guys about a wonderful, wonderful thing. That's right. Maybe the most wonderful thing of all. Is that possible? It's called a grapefruit. This is a small one. It's an expensive small one. Why did I pay $1.50 for this one grapefruit? Well, because grapefruit is nature's prize. It's true. Nature's prize contained within here. I'm a long-time grapefruit aficionado, so I've got a lot to say about the noble grapefruit. First of all, let's talk about our tools. We've got the ideal knife for cutting the grapefruit. It's a tomato knife, but it's perfect for grapefruit. We also have the grapefruit spoon. Yes, it's serrated to make it easy to dig out the grapefruit. But I'm going to cut it out anyway, so I'm going to be doubly grapefruit efficient. Now, there aren't many foods that I'm willing to engage in this level of preparation to eat them, and grapefruit is one. Why? Because the grapefruit, as I said, is nature's prize. You don't want to cut the plate. Oh, oh. Do you see why I paid $1.50 for this grapefruit? DSC. Oh, look at that. That is nature's prize. Okay, so I'm going to use this knife now. And you'll note, you start around the edge. It's actually, this could use a little bit more ripening probably. But I'm going to eat it now anyway. I'm going to cut along the edge like this, all the way around. I'm not going to stress too much about being perfect or anything, but I'm going to cut it all the way around the back end here. So I get to where I started, right here. Making sure I've cut the connection between all these little things in the side. Then, starting in the middle, I'm going to cut along each of these little lines here, making little triangles in the process. Okay, perfect. Now I can tell at the bottom here there's some connectivity issues. So you don't want it connected down there if you can avoid it. So I'm going to go kind of sideways and cut the middle bottom. Like that. There. Now I'm going to use my grapefruit spoon and try out the glory of the fantasticness. Not as good as it looks. Not bad though. Certainly worth eating. This will prevent scurvy. Senor. Oh. Hi, Jorge. Senor, did you know that Puerto Rico is the land of grapefruit flavor? I know, Jorge, I've heard. Did you get these grapefruit from Puerto Rico? I don't think I did. I think that's the problem. I think they're not Puerto Rican. They are Lone Star. They're Texan. I mean, historically, I've tended to think the best grapefruits do come from Texas. Oh, no, senor. How could you say such a thing? Puerto Rico is the land of grapefruit flavor. I'm sorry, Jorge. I didn't mean to offend you. I understand you're passionate about grapefruits. I can't blame you for that. I'm passionate about grapefruits too. But then, Senor, you should only buy the Puerto Rican grapefruits. Well, Jorge, I'm sorry. I'm not dissing on Puerto Rican grapefruits. I'm just saying that historically I've discovered that the Texan grapefruits are actually quite good. My mother used to order Texan grapefruits in the winter. We'd have a big crate of them in the garage. They'd be icy cold in the morning. And Senor, I do not wish to hear your story about Texan grapefruits. Jorge, that's not very considerate of you. I'm telling you a nice childhood tale. Senor, if your childhood tale does not include the beautiful land of Puerto Rico, I am not interested in hearing it. You're a little bit obsessive about this whole Puerto Rico thing, Jorge. I'm concerned. There's nothing to be concerned about, Senor. We're talking about Puerto Rico. Yeah, I know. We're talking about Puerto Rico. Senor. Listen to me. Escúchame, repite. Puerto Rico. Like that. That's how you say Puerto Rico. Not the Puerto Rico. Or whatever it is you say. It's not right, Osteric. You're bad at saying Puerto Rico. Shut up, Jorge. I am not. Yes, you are. You're bad at telling me shit. There's no need to get defensive, Osteric. You just need to become impassioned about the beautiful land of Puerto Rico. And then everything will be fine. Look, Jorge. Everything being fine does not require me to agree with you about Puerto Rico. Oh, but Senor, if you don't agree with me about Puerto Rico, then that means you're wrong about Puerto Rico. Well, I mean, I wouldn't want to be wrong about Puerto Rico. But I don't think you've answered my point about Texan grapefruits being good. Senor, nobody's disputing that the Texan grapefruits are good. All I'm saying is that they're not from Puerto Rico. Okay, well, we can agree that Texan grapefruits... God damn it. We can agree that Texan grapefruits are not from Puerto Rico. That's fine. I don't have any problem with that line of reasoning. Therefore, they suck. No, see, that's the problem there, Jorge. That last part. You're drawing conclusions that I just don't agree with. It's because you're wrong. No, Jorge. It's because Puerto Rico is not the only place in the world that grows good grapefruits. However, in this case, Texas kind of failed me. Regardless, enjoy grapefruits. They're nature's prize.